Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to get the Revolut referral bonus. So let's get started. First, open the Revolut app on your phone. Tap your initials or profile picture in the top left corner. Select Invite Friends. And you'll see a banner that says Earn 80 euros for each friend you invite. Below that, you'll see your active invites with a purple progress ring showing how many steps your friend has completed. To qualify for the bonus, your friend needs to sign up using your link, add money to their account, order a physical Revolut card, make 3 purchases of at least 5 euros each. To get your referral link, tap Invite Friends again. Then click Copy Link, share it with your friends. Once they complete all the steps, you'll receive your 80 euros bonus directly in your Revolut account. And that's it. That's how you get the Revolut referral bonus. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.